women these days are going through divorces a lot.
Yeah.
So what would you tell them? Were they karmic partners? Were they soulmates होते फिर तो divorces, I think it won't be a heartbreaking journey. तो उसके लिए क्या कहेंगे आप?
When your life purpose with someone is done and you are done with the karma, so अगर वो बहुत टॉक्सिक था तो डेफिनेटली आप नहीं चाहोगे उसको आगे लाइफ में चलाना. सोलमेट्स के साथ भी कभी कभी हम डेड एंड पे पहुंच सकते हैं जब कर्मा हो गया है एंड आगे कोई ग्रोथ ही नहीं हो रही है, तो मे बी यूनिवर्स कुछ इंटरवेंशन करके आपको लाइफ में आपके ट्विन फ्लेम एनर्जी से एकदम इंटरैक्ट करा देता है सो दैट यू कैन ग्रो विद देम.
Okay.
राइट. बट डिवोर्सेस जो एक टॉपिक है वो क्यों हो रहे हैं आजकल इज़ अगेन बिकॉज ऑफ द एंटायर पेट्रियार्की सिस्टम फॉलिंग डाउन and the awareness and awakening happening not just in women but in men also. People want more from life. They want a conscious connection. They are understanding that there is more depth that they can experience, more connection that can happen in a relationship, and they are not ready for the pain and suffering and the sacrifices that they are supposed to make
True.
in a marriage. So marriage as a system is getting outdated. This is a very controversial statement to make, but I am saying this because this is happening at a spiritual level. Our entire cosmos is going through this awakening. एक बहुत बड़ा shift हो रहा है, planetary shift है ये, so that our planet can go from the 3D to the 5D and even to the higher dimensions, where love is felt in the connections. And the love is unconditional. You experience purity there, and you don't want the give and take mechanism just to exist in the relationship. So the marriages are getting outdated as the concept they are, and divine unions are coming where people come together to hold space for each other. They may not understand you completely, but they let you be you.
And society may not understand that concept of relationship.
Yeah.
But we are seen and felt in that space.
Yes, अब जिसकी अवेकनिंग हो रही है ये उसी का पाथ है, एंड डिफ़िकल्ट भी है क्योंकि ये अब सब कुछ अभी इसी टाइम हो रहा है, एंड स्पेशली डिफ़िकल्ट फॉर मिलेनियल्स बिकॉज इसी जनरेशन के साथ सबसे ज़्यादा चीज़ें हो रही है. ईदर दे आर नॉट गेटिंग मैरिड. अब वो चॉइस की बात है तो अच्छी बात है, नहीं हो पा रहा है सो दे आर गोइंग थ्रू अ लॉट ऑफ पेन. देयर इज़ लॉट ऑफ सप्रेशन एंड लॉट ऑफ जजमेंट फ्रॉम पीपल ऑल अराउंड कि शादी क्यों नहीं हो रही है, क्या कमी है, और क्यों तुम सबका रिस्पेक्ट नहीं कर रहे हो, वाई आर यू नॉट सेटलिंग फॉर मैरिज. बट वॉट पीपल डोंट अंडरस्टैंड इज दैट देयर इज़ लॉट ऑफ सोल एवोल्यूशन हैपनिंग देयर. दे माइट नॉट हैव साइंड अप for the kind of marriage that we used to have. The marriage contract जो पहले था, अब वो contract नहीं है. They want a divine connection. They want a lot of depth with their partner that they grow mutually. So अब उस marriage में नहीं था, वो एक अलग structure था, patriarchy पे built था वो. उसमें there were gender roles, right? Man was the breadwinner. Women used to nurture.
Yeah.
अब सब grow हुए, women got educated, they started understanding their own potential, and they started understanding that they don't have to be equal, they just have to focus on their own growth, they have to be true to themselves. And when it comes to being true to themselves, exploring their soul gifts, that goes that becomes very detrimental to the patriarchal structure. So that is why it's falling down, because women are not choosing that.